Did you know that within the enchanting world of canines, there exists two captivating breeds, each with a story that transcends their appearance, embodying resilience and love in their own unique ways? The bulldog, with its iconic wrinkled face, and the golden retriever, with its gleaming golden coat, both stand as testaments to the incredible diversity and depth found in our beloved canine companions. Their tales intertwine, tales of strength and warmth, resonating with the hearts of dog lovers everywhere. Today, on the GNS Solutions channel, we begin again to delve into a brief discussion on the second of these great breeds, the Golden Retriever, the golden tail unveiled. Within the spectrum of canine wonder, one breed shines radiantly, the Golden Retriever. These magnificent beings, known for their warm golden coats and gentle eyes, hold within them a story beyond their physical splendor, a tale of love, loyalty, and a bond that transcends mere companionship. History of canine companions par excellence. Bred in the 19th century in Scotland, golden retrievers were crafted not just for their outwardly beauty, but also for their exceptional abilities. Their name, retrievers, stand testament to their innate talent, retrieving game for hunters. Their lineage is marked with not just physical prowess, but a heart brimming with affection and an intelligence that defies boundaries. Nature's emissaries, friendly and loyal. Golden retrievers aren't just companions, they're family. Their friendly nature and boundless affection makes them ideal partners, especially for families. They embody a spirit that resonates love and loyalty, crafting an unbreakable bond that weaves them seamlessly into the fabric of the household. Extraordinary skills, retrieving marvels. Their remarkable retrieving skills go beyond being mere traits. They are a testament to their intelligence and versatility. Their ability to fetch and carry objects, coupled with their eagerness to please, make them not just beloved pets, but invaluable assistants in numerous tasks. Therapeutic hearts role as therapeutic dogs. Beyond their fetching abilities, golden retrievers serve a profound purpose as therapy dogs. Their empathetic nature and warm disposition allow them to connect with individuals on a deeper level, providing comfort and solace in various therapeutic settings. Conclusion: Golden retrievers, more than canine companions. In conclusion, golden retrievers, with their gleaming coats and soulful eyes, represent more than just a beautiful exterior. They, they embody love, loyalty, and an exceptional intelligence that mold them into the ultimate family dog. Their tale is one of grace, intelligence, and unwavering devotion, making them not just companions, but beacons of love in the human-canine bond. These golden beauties aren't merely pets. They are love personified. Their warmth embraces households. Their loyalty fortifies bonds, and their presence illuminates lives. They stand as ambassadors of love, companionship, and an endearing connection, making each moment spent with them a golden memory etched in the heart forever. As we conclude today on the GNA Pet Solution channel, in the world of dogs, where resilience meets unwavering loyalty, the bulldog and the golden retriever stand as pillars of fortitude and affection. Their tales, marked with unique characteristics and histories, converge into a single narrative, a story of love, resilience, and unwavering devotion. The bulldog embodies strength and determination, while the golden retriever exudes love and loyalty. Together, they represent the myriad facets of the human-canine bond, reminding us that in the heart of every dog lies a unique tale to be cherished. Remember to like and subscribe.